It's not your turn. Like, you literally were the last person to show up to the intersection. Why would you go first?
I saw it.
Jeez, the fucking California speed limit is like, on any road is like a third of this speedometer. Jesus fucking Christ. I would get in so much fucking trouble if I had one of these. I want one. I fucking picked the wrong place to go. Man.
I saw it.
Thank you. Fuck yeah, finally someone. That's fucking sick. Alright, this might be really fucking stupid, but I'm gonna do it. It's kind of a straight shot down Herndon, so I'm hoping I'll be okay. Whoever thought I could fucking U-turn with the coffee maker? I got it. I got this shit. Let's go. Jesus.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope.